Hello, little girl.
Hello, Mr. Nick.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Nick.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Helen.
Helen. Nice to meet you, Helen.
Nice to meet you
Give me
too.
five. Helen, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. And how old are you, Helen?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. Wow. Okay, Helen. If you're happy and clap your hands. If you're happy and stomp your feet. Very good. Can you pinch your nose? Pinch your nose. Very good. Point to your teacher. Okay. Now, are you ready?
Yes,
Very good. Okay. Now, first of all, please tell me what color do you like?
I like pink.
You like pink.
Yeah.
Very good. And what animals do you like?
I like rabbit.
You like rabbits. Very nice. And where do you see rabbits?
I see rabbit
I
on
see
the
them
farm.
on the farm. Very good. And what animals do you see at the zoo?
I see snake,
Hmm.
zebra, bird,
Mhm.
monkey at the zoo.
Very good. Okay. Now let's start. I will show you some cards. You look at them and tell me what is this. Okay? All right. Let's go.
Popcorn,
Popcorn. Very good.
milk.
Good job. Do you like to drink milk?
Yes,
Okay. What time do you drink milk? In the morning or when you go to bed?
I go to bed.
When I go to bed, I drink milk. Very good.
Ice cream,
Ice cream.
butter,
Good.
cheese,
Very good.
scratch,
And this one?
fight.
Fight. Is it good to fight?
No,
No.
pinch,
Mm.
kick,
Very good.
hit,
Mm.
hurt.
Very good. Do you cry when you're hurt? Do you cry when you're hurt? Yes. Yes, I cry.
Noodles,
Very good.
ham,
Good job.
juice,
Juice. Good.
hot dog,
Very nice.
salad,
Very good.
pancake,
Good job.
hamburger, popcorn.
Very nice. Okay. Now please tell me, what do you want for your dinner?
I want turkey,
I want turkey,
noodle,
noodles,
salad,
salad. Okay. For dinner. Very good. Okay. Now please tell me, how do you say your mother for a snack? Do you remember cow give me milk for my snack?
yes.
Okay. Then how do you say your mother for a snack?
Mother, give me some cheese for my snack.
Very good. Okay. Now, do you like to sing songs?
Yes,
Okay. Now here we have a song for you to sing. Can you sing it, please?
yes.
Go. Big turkey.
I the big turkey. I eat and eat. I, s- I can
I am so
so
fat.
I can see my feet when I was when I touch gobble. I the big turkey. I eat and eat.
Very good. Okay. Now can you please tell me, is turkey fat or thin?
Turkey fat
Yes, turkey is fat. Are you fat or thin?
thing.
Thin. Very good. Can turkey see its feet?
No,
No. Why no?
turkey fat.
Because turkey is fat. Right. Can you see your feet?
Yes,
Yes, I can. Very good. Now, here we have a day, 7 days of the week. Okay, do you know them? Do you know 7 days of the week? Weekends are cool song.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you look at the card and tell me what day of the week is it?
Monday.
Monday. Good.
Tuesday.
Good job.
Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Weekend.
Weekend. Very good. Now, please tell me what day comes after Monday.
Monday. Tuesday.
Very good. After Monday is Tuesday. Good job. Now I show you some letters. Okay. Now you tell me the name of the letter and how many sounds this letter make. Okay. All right. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Letter G. One sound. J.
Letter J. One
One
sound. J.
J. Letter P. One sound.
P. Very good.
Letter X.
Letter I. I.
Three sound. A-I-E.
Very nice. Okay. Now here, can you please make the sound and read the words? Go.
Jam. Pajama. Jump.
Very good. And this one?
Jam. Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my donut, but not on my head.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me what do we need between two words?
Space.
Space. We need a space between two words. What is this?
First
This one?
period.
Period. Very good. Now I make the sound and you point and say the word. Okay? All right. P sound. P. P.
Pancake.
Yeah.
Pancake.
Pancake. Very good. D sound. D. Letter D. D.
Donut.
Very good. Sound. Letter M. My. Very nice. Okay. Now here. Can you please tell me when we cough or sneeze, what should we say?
Excuse me.
Very good. And when you bump into someone, what do you say? When you bump into someone, ayo, what do you say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Very good. And what are the nice things to say? I'm sorry.
Excuse me. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Very good. Okay, now here we have a song. Excuse me. Can you please sing?
Yes.
Go.
It's good to say excuse me, please, for a bubble sneeze. When you make a sound like this, achoo, just say excuse me, please. Excuse me, please, excuse me, for bumping into you. Say excuse me, please, excuse me, there's nothing to do.
Very good job. All right. So now here we have a big book. Okay. Now, first of all, tell me the title and then you are going to read or say. No singing, okay? Now, first of all, tell me what's the title of this big book?
The title of the big book is Say.
Very nice. Okay, now point and say. I
see six lions sleeping in the sun.
Very nice.
I see six zebras starting to run.
Very nice.
I see six little baby kangaroos.
Good job.
I see them all at the zoo.
Very good. Now, how many little baby kangaroos do you see?
I see six Baby kangaroo.
And where do you see them?
At the zoo.
At the zoo. Very good. And what are the lions doing here?
Lion sleeping in the sun.
Very good. Lions are sleeping in the sun. Very nice. Okay. Now, do you like to read stories? Yes. Okay. Can you please read this story, please?
Jam, jam.
Good job. Go.
Jam, jam on my bread. I like jam on my bread. Ham, ham on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza. Eggs, eggs with my rice. I like eggs with my rice. Noodles, noodles in my soup. I like noodles in my soup. Cheese, cheese in my sandwich. I like cheese in my sandwich. Milk, milk in my cookies. I like milk in my cookies. Meat, meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti.
Butter.
Butter, butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chick, chick,
Chicken.
chicken, chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy, candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake, cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday.
Very good. The
The
end.
end.
What do you like for your birthday?
I like cake for my birthday.
Do you like toys? Toys, cake, ice cream? Just cake? Just cake on your birthday?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you like with your rice?
I like eggs with my rice.
I like eggs with my rice. Very good. Okay. Now here we have one last song for you to sing. Can you please sing Be Nice
Yes.
song? Go.
Don't hate or kick or pin your face. Don't fight or pull their hair. Don't scratch or hurt them everywhere. Be nice, not Johnny Bear. Don't hit or kick or pin your face. Don't fight or pull their hair. Don't scratch or hurt them everywhere. Be nice like Johnny Bear.
Very good. Give me five. What are the nice things to do? What are the nice things to do? Be quiet, sit
Nicely.
and don't hit,
Okay.
don't kick or pinch
Pinch your
your
friends.
friends, and don't pull
Their
their
hair.
hair. And be nice like
Johnny Bear.
Johnny Bear. Very good job, Helen. Now, Helen, can you please tell me what color is the sky?
This color
The sky is
blue.
very good. The sky is
Blue.
blue. Then why are you nervous? Okay, you have done a really great job here, Helen, and I'm so proud of you, okay? And it's time for us to say goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, teacher, and
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Mr. Nick.
see you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.